on behalf of the Ministry of Agriculture, Food Security and Enterprise, we will be receiving financial assistance to support 727 small stakeholder farmers affected by Hurricane Lisa, and we're also going to be receiving 40 tablets to be used by the Ministry of Agriculture. The financial assistance will be provided to the affected farmers through partnership with DigiWallet that includes two components. The first component will be provided as 700 Belize dollars in a voucher where farmers will be able to redeem agro supplies at approved merchants.
The second is a 300 Belize dollars unconditional cash which farmers can use to purchase at any DigiWallet approved store or withdrawal redeem cash. Funding for the assistance has been received from the government of Italy and the Latter Day Saints charities.
I'd really like to just express our gratitude to the government of Belize, as well as the government of Italy, and of course the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, for the trust and partnership in supporting the people affected by Hurricane Lisa.
Me va a ayudar bastante porque para las plagas y algún sistema de riego, ¿verdad? Que tenemos la escasez de agua por el verano, y esa ayuda pues nos viene a aliviar bastante con la ayuda de Dios, ¿verdad? Porque sinceramente uno solo y con familia cuesta bastante.
Every day I hear the cries of the farmers. Their agro inputs went up, fertilizer went up by 300%. They have diseases, insects, so there are daily challenges that are facing the farmers. So this assistance today comes at a very, very important time.